We are looking at Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail daily chart. A cup and handle was found this weekend. On the 3rd, I had sent an email to my clients and students. We see a very clear spike over here of volume, really strong compared to previous days and slightly above the previous volume high breakout over here as well. So if you can see since January to October, these are the only 2 times the volume has been really sharp. And this time it was even bigger than the previous July volume spike. So definitely a volume spike confirmation. Breakout happened at this level where you can see the stock tried to break 230 level 2 times before this, and then finally it was able to pass through it after this nice volume boost like a rocket fuel. So upon breakout, we see that there was a big candle form. So 244 was the level at which the stock was available. So I did recommend buy it between 244 to 230 because anytime it starts to pull back, that is where you have a better chance or better risk reward ratio with a target of 300, as you can see, based on this depth till about 160 to 230. So 70 points worth of depth. 300 becomes the obvious target. And as for stop loss is concerned, 190 is this low level, but I've kept it slightly below that as well, 185. Again, because Indian stock markets, a lot of things happen. So I like to keep a big room for the stocks which I'm holding for a few days or few months. And timeline wise, since this is March to October, so we have almost 8 months worth of pattern formation. This is a standard cup and handle with a little bit of well, rough patch over here, but it still counts as a cup and handle in my book. 8 months, out of which, so I take 1/3 of the time, but round it out to 3 months approximately. Again, giving a little more room for the stock to hit its target. Okay. Now, if you look at today, we have a nice opportunity. There's the same chart of the same graph. It's just that now I have taken the latest today's chart, and if you look at this entire pattern over here, the same pattern, breakout happens and you see a pullback. So right now, conveniently the stock is down, which happens with every strong breakout. There's always a pullback, which happens because people who bought it over here, not here, people who bought it, let's say at these levels, want to exit. Some of them might be booking profits. So it does turn back a little bit, and that is an opportunity for us as traders. So we are going to buy it at 236 levels. If you want to do, you can also do 2-stage buying, that buy half the quantity today and some of it tomorrow. But as of now, I can clearly say that this is a good buying opportunity because 230 was the breakout and 236, that means just barely 6 rupees above our breakout line. So that's a good place to get into this stock. Okay. So if I take a position, I will update you on this. Again, this was just for education purpose. Make sure that you know your own risks and talk to your stock market advisor before taking any positions in the market. I'll update whenever the stock hits either stop loss or the target. Thank you.